Today I'm going to show you how to make your X, formerly Twitter, account public in just a few quick steps. If your posts are currently protected, this will allow anyone to view your profile, read your posts, and engage with your content without needing approval. This is a simple setting change, but it can make a big difference if you want to grow your audience, get more visibility, or make your profile easier to discover. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more fast, easy tech guides just like this. One, it really helps support the channel, and it tells YouTube to share more videos like this with you. Alright, let's get started. First, open X in your browser or in the app, and make sure you're logged into the account you want to make public. Once you're on the main homepage, look at the left-hand navigation menu. You'll see a section called More. Click on More to open additional options. After you click More, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all the account, security and privacy controls, so this is the main area we need for changing your public visibility. Next, inside the Settings and Privacy section, click Privacy and Safety. This section controls who can see your posts, how your media appears, tagging options, and several other privacy-related settings. Now, look for and select Audience, Media and Tagging. This is the specific menu where X lets you control who can see your posts and whether your account is protected. Once you're inside this menu, you should see an option called Protect Your Posts. If this box is checked, your account is private, which means only approved followers can see your posts. To make your account public, make sure the Protect Your Posts box is unchecked. In other words, turn that setting off. As soon as you uncheck it, your posts are no longer protected, and your account becomes public. That means people can view your tweets, follow you more easily, and interact with your content without needing your approval first. If you don't see the change right away, just take a moment to double-check that the box is actually unchecked, then back out of the menu and refresh your profile page. In most cases, the update happens instantly. And that's it. You've successfully made your X account public. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look, but it's one of the most useful settings to understand if you want more reach on the platform. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.